What's up, guys? It's Ricky Bobby, and as you can see, we got Flowmaster. Oh yeah. All right, so the specific Flowmaster that I went with was the Outlaw Catback, and I chose that one for two reasons. One, MBRP, I've never had a complaint with that exhaust system. Everybody that has ever heard it, whether it was somebody I knew or was somebody just driving along, they've always gave me compliments. I've never heard one time that the car sounded like crap. But they don't really make their systems for any performance gains whatsoever. So we would like to go with a brand that not only sounds good, but performs good. And Flowmaster actually dyno tests all of their exhaust systems to make sure that they're not just sounding good, they're also giving you the gains that you are looking for. Another reason I'm going with Flowmaster is because on the MBRP system, or a lot of the systems that I see, usually there's a connection point right here where you have to have a clamp, and there's a connection point here where you have to have a clamp for the tip, which that's pretty common. I don't really care about that, but everything is just one piece with the Flowmaster system besides the X-pipe and obviously the mufflers that you choose. But there's a lot less room for error and leaks with the Flowmaster. All right, I got the old exhaust system out. Let's go ahead and get this Flowmaster in here. First, we got to start with the X-pipe, and then we'll make sure the mufflers are oriented correctly. That's the only part about this kit that is a little confusing to me. I just don't exactly know which way they go, if they're a certain side, but we'll figure it out. All right, now that I got the tips how I want them, I'll go ahead and tighten up all the bolts now. Man, I can't even rev it all the way. It is stupid loud. Oh yeah. Even with the mufflers, it's louder than the MBRP system that was straight piped. Wow. I'm super impressed with this system. In my opinion, it sounds exactly like a Scat Pack. Just the low, deep, burbly sound. Best way I can explain it. This thing's definitely got a little more. I don't really have to get on it and the tires squeal. Here she is in all her dirty glory, but anyway. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Now let's get out of here.